Ogo means favor. So together, Chimelogo means God granted me favor. Jasmine said she likes that name a lot, but then she got a little bit more curious. She asked, if I gave my daughter the name Chimelogo, what type of personality traits would that give her? So then, her ancestor looked at her and said, that's a great question. Chimelogo's names give them the ability to be granted rare career opportunities, be business savvy, and charismatic since God opens many doors for them. Jasmine says she likes that name a lot. She remembered all the times in her life when God had given her amazing opportunities. If she named her daughter Chimelogo, this would be a great way to continue to remind herself of all the wonderful things that God has done for her in her own life.